300 subscriptions. 300. Thank you so much. I don't believe it. It came. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, what could it be? Oh, it's alive. This is in tribute to all you guys. 300 subscribers today. What could this be? Welcome everyone to Door and Lock Tips. I want to thank you all. Today is a special day. I have hit, because of you, 300 subscribers. And I want to pay tribute to you guys for making this all possible. I have had a blast, okay? This has been quite a challenge this last year, the end of last year and this year. I have had 2 surgeries, one on my hand, one on my shoulder. I got COVID and pneumonia. And through all of this, I've hit 300 subscribers. I want to pay tribute to you guys. And I owe it all to you guys. I love lock and door products, okay? Including even this Goal Zero Yeti. This works as a power supply for all you. Check my old videos. There are so many things. Give you the knowledge that I've acquired over my lifetime as a locksmith. And I think you appreciate it. And stuff like this will add to the scene. Thank you guys. It's alive in there. And it's only alive because I have a power supply hooked to it. Let's take a close look. And I want to thank you, 300 subscribers. Thank you, thank you. Tell your friends. I got to put a plug in there, don't I? Let's take a close look at what's inside this box because of you. Because of you guys. What a great view. I mean, can you imagine if you opened a box and it was all lit up? Wouldn't this freak you out? That'd be a great way. They should just send this Goal Zero, this power supply with it. 110. Cool little unit. Yeti 200X. Delicious. I got it plugged in just for the video, you know. Wonderful. And I don't know if you can see, but look at, this is in tribute to you guys. Door and Lock Tips. So this is such a treasure. Everybody said, hey, get this unit. It'll make your shop. It'll make your little game room, whatever. And I'm telling you, 2 neon lights. It's got purple. You can pick your colors, right? But look at this. Is this crazy cool or what? And I ordered it straight from Amazon. Look at the price. Shipped to my door in a beautiful box, $192.14. And the company is called Red Eye Laser Works. Red Eye Laser Works. Spectacular. I love it. Amazon to the rescue. In tribute to you guys, I've got the most killer clock. I needed a clock out here because, you know, you can spend so many hours videoing. And my dear wife, she said, get a clock, get a clock. And, you know, I didn't tell her I was going to get a tribute clock to you guys, really. So thank you, thank you. Let's take a closer look. Ooh, look at this. Nicely boxed. I don't want to break the neon because this is a true neon light. Look at how gorgeous this is. I do not want to break the neon. It's very delicate. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. You guys, if you need a neon light for your shop, your locksmith shop, I highly suggest this killer company, Red Eye Laser Works. They had it to me in less than 10 days. Look at that. Door and Lock Tips. Is this cool or what? Come on, guys. This is beautiful. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You made it all possible. I wouldn't even be thinking in this direction without you guys signing up to my channel, enjoying the little tips, lock and door tips that I give. Look at this beauty. all chrome. It's delicious. I could eat it. This is going to be a welcome addition to the shop, don't you think? Look at it. It's beautiful. Came boxed straight to my front door. Thank you, guys. Let's go hang this bad boy. I can't wait. I can't wait to hang it. I can't wait. Door and lock tips to the rescue. So what do you think, guys? What do you think up there? In the old 100-year-old doorway that's been removed? Cool or what? What a great backdrop. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Up here? Saying yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Yes! Door and lock tips. Yes! About right here. Thank you for subscribing.
I'm loving this thing.
300 subscribers today. I wish I could just put this in my back pocket. It actually is a pocket watch. Wow. On, off. On, off. Thank you, guys. Door and lock tips. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Down in the comment section, I'm going to put the 300th subscriber to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to have more door and lock tips coming to you in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. Most of these videos take approximately maybe 8 hours per video. Even this video added to about 6 hours. They're tough to do, but I have your best interest at heart. I don't want you to make mistakes like I have over the years, buying things that were totally worthless, non-usable, and getting them in the shop and saying, why in the world did I spend money on something? So please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. I'm going to steer you in the right direction. There's so many pitfalls out there. But for the most part, you can get everything from Amazon or your suppliers, CLK Supply, UHS Hardware, Annixter. Those guys want to help. I want to help. So please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming in the future. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. 300th subscribers. Can you believe it? Thanks again.